5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's the world premiere of the new Massey Ferguson 1700M series, the premium compact tractor from Massey Ferguson. This is the new M series, just arrived today, just got off the truck, and we're going to show you all the new features and functions of this new premium series compact tractor from Massey Ferguson. There's been several minor upgrades in the premium series, but we're going to go over all the features and functions. One of the greatest features that customers rave about is the ground level fueling. You don't have to put big heavy fuel cans up here and mess up all over your hood. You can do it from the ground level. But probably the biggest thing that's a feature of this tractor is the metal hood and the ease to get into that metal hood. And what's new? Well, we've got a new Subaru Japanese built engine that has been featured in our 2700E series that does not require a diesel particulate filter. It does not require DEF emissions. It does have an EGR valve and a diesel oxidation catalyst, and you'll see the muffling device up there, that silver canister. A diesel oxidation catalyst is just like your catalytic converter in your car. It doesn't create any excess heat. It just is a precious metal element that cleans up the emissions. A few features of this engine is the clean out screen. It's a metal clean out screen that keeps the chaff and the dirt out of your radiator. You can see the fuse bank here. You can see the wastegate turbocharger. Got your air cleaner, your battery, your coolant overflow up here in front. All your coolers, condensers. Nice, simple, easy to maintain. I mean, a single lever pop of the hood and bam, you're in it. To do all your maintenance needs, from daily maintenance to scheduled maintenance, like your oil filter. Here's your engine oil fill. There's your fuel filter. One of the big changes you're going to see with this tractor is you don't have that big double fuel filter bank like our previous generation. That allows, in a cab version, which is coming really soon, we'll be able to show you a cab version of the 1700M series, but this allows a mid-mount mower more clearance and allow it to work with a cab version in the 1735. We have our six-way joystick. You've actually got raise and lower, plus you have a float position there. And to the side you have quick dump. So you have 6 features built into this joystick. Also available, you can add a solenoid third function just like we had in the past. We've done a video on that. This is your 3-point raise and lower control. We'll get more in the platform when we jump up there, but we want to show you this exciting new tractor. It's the premier compact on the industry, the only one right now that it does not require a diesel particulate filter in a premium series compact tractor. It features the DL125 loader that is a quick detach loader. Simply pull these 2 pins by undoing these 2 clips here. Pull those pins out and lower these loader stands, and you can take the loader off of the tractor quick and easy. The premium series compacts come standard with skid steer quick attach. Optional third function, big heavy duty grill guard. We'll drop the hood here. Has our 4 high intensity lights in the grill. Quick detach. Once you have the loader off, you can take the couplers off right here by the side. You've got a pinion gear, bevel gear pinion design front axle. It gives you a lot higher clearances under the front. Great turning radiuses. Your oil check is right there on this side, I see. We're going to look back here. You have a PTO start stop switch that you can start and stop the PTO from back here off of the tractor. There is a sequence in the operator's manual that tells you how to do that properly to operate. 540 PTO. You have a nice big heavy beefy drawbar. One of the little things is your drawbar. Something you don't see a lot of times. You've got a rubber gasket here that keeps that vibration out, plus you have a set screw here that takes all the vibration out of the drawbar. If you look at this edge here is clipped, that tells you the direction that your pin is, so you can put your clip in and hold it in. That's just one of the little things. Got a nice sight glass to make it easier to look at if the hydraulic and transmission is full. Come up here, there's your fill port. Toolbox is standard equipment now. Got a nice little toolbox here. Got a new tilt and folding roll bar. Canopies are available. Heavy metal. That's what Massey Ferguson is known for. You're not buying a bunch of cheap plastic. One of the things you'll notice is a new seat and a new seat undercarriage. I think this seat undercarriage actually has a little better suspension than before, from my initial experiences here. We're going to jump up in here, talk about the controls, take it for a ride, and show you what the new 1700 M series from Massey Ferguson is all about. If you look at this seat suspension, I think it's got a lot more seat suspension than we had before. On our left-hand controls, the big one you're going to see here is your range. This features a synchronized hydrostat. You do not have a clutch pedal on this tractor, so you can come from a stop and you can shift without clutching. You can go from high, medium, or low range. This is your four-wheel drive engagement right here. Push in and push up. There's four-wheel drive disengage. Engage, you're going to push down with the tires turning there. This is to engage the 540 PTO. Optional is 2000 RPM. Now this is what makes the E-Hydro special. You can adjust the aggressiveness of the hydrostat how you control it. You can set a max speed limit, which is very nice if you're mowing. You can set that to the maximum speed, crunch the pedal, and it's not going to go any faster than that. And then you got your cruise control. So you set your max speed. When you get to that speed, you hit your cruise control, and you're mowing at or working at the speed you'd like to be operating. But you can use cruise control by itself. Come to the dash, we have our hazard lights control, and we have our dash display. One thing that's new is the new steering wheel. Instead of a pedal, you push that down to adjust your tilt of your steering wheel. Before, we had a pedal down here. You got brake pedals. You can separate them to have powered braking. Left and right braking is available. With an E-Hydrostat, if you hit both brake pedals, you're going to dump the hydrostat, basically stop the hydrostat. If you have one side, you can build up back pressure with a hydrostat, which is, if you're sloped down a hill, you can build up back pressure and then take off a little easier. Got a horn. On this side, you have your PTO engagement. You push and turn a third of the turn it on. That's your soft start PTO. We've done some videos on soft start PTO, check them out. And your manual throttle. This tractor comes with linked auto throttle on the hydrostat, forward and reverse pedals. Our 6-way joystick, as we discussed before, does have a lock down here that you can lock that, so if you're operating like a mowing in the rear or a rear implement, if you hit this, it's not going to fall by accident. The other thing is your 3-point raise and lower control there. Cup holder, armrest seat, new comfort seat. This thing is very comfortable. Right and left armrests are all standard equipment. Got your parking brake here. Push that down to hold your parking brake. Hit the brake to disengage. Key switch with preheat position. You can see the preheat there. You do have a new forward a directional indicator. That's your four-wheel drive indicator light is on. Four-wheel drive off, four-wheel drive on. That is new for this 1700 M series. There's your PTO. Your miles per hour is available by pushing this button. Let's fire it up. Listen to that. New, no DPF needed, required. No diesel exhaust fluid required. This is the new premium compact from Massey Ferguson. The only one in the industry without a diesel particulate filter in a premium compact. Premium features that allow you to do more, get more done. It's a Massey Ferguson. There's that auto throttle, easy way to test it. You can hear it raise that. What we're gonna do, put our synchronized hydrostat. We'll put her in a high range. And who's ready to take a ride in the new Massey Ferguson 1700 M series? We've got it on quick. We're going to slow it down. See how much longer that took the pedal to engage? Smoothness. We'll adjust it a little more aggressive. You can adjust it to your needs and your settings. Want cruise control? Just tap it and you can see the cruise control lights on. Cruise control indicator is now on the dash panel. To tap it, you can either hit the cruise or the brakes, or tap the pedal and take it off. You got your PTO light. Soft start PTO, disengage there. Oh, we forgot differential lock. Differential lock is right there on your heel. The other things that we have is seat base adjustment and your hydraulic flow. That's your hydraulic flow restriction on your 3-point. You can smooth it out if you want to go down. Take a look at the loader cycle time. Take it from there. Idle speed. Raise the front axle off the ground. And now we're going to go up. Dump feature. Do your angles. Want to fire it up, get the hydraulics really revving. That's one thing with Massey, we have a lot of high flow hydraulics. Allow you to get a lot of work done faster. But I like to drive it. You come to Varnberg Implement, come take it for a test drive. That's what they're here for, is to show you how to operate all these beautiful Massey Fergusons. We just don't have a single ride and drive event once a year. We've got it all year, every day at Varnberg Implement. We're your West Central Missouri Massey Ferguson dealer. Come take it for a ride and come learn the difference and experience the Massey Ferguson difference. There's nothing like a Massey Ferguson Premium Series compact. More features, get more out of your money, and feel it. Super tight turning radius. Look at the short turning radius of the Massey Ferguson. Heavy duty, built to last. Great visibility from the OptiView platform. I mean, you got a great view around here. You even have a cigarette plug-in or a power outlet back here. You can charge your cell phone in. Come check this new Premium Series compact at Varnberg Implement. We're your West Central Missouri Massey Ferguson dealer here in Higginsville, Missouri, just outside of Kansas City. We don't have a single ride and drive event per year. We let you drive them any day of the week, any day of the year when we're open. Come experience the Massey Ferguson difference and come see all the great Massey Fergusons at Varnberg Implement. From subcompacts up to the high horsepower, we will show you, teach you, and help you get the most out of your hard-earned dollars with Massey Ferguson.